Good morning. Good coffee. So, why anyone would buy a dividend stock? Does has any growth? Does the stock price will increase in the next few months, in the next few years? Does the dividends are worth it? Can the company stop the dividends at any time? Did I buy any dividend stock lately? You know, I'm gonna answer a lot of these questions, probably all. Just stay tuned with me, okay? Welcome to Crypto and Stock. My name is Hugo. In this video, I want to answer some of the questions. I also want to tell you what dividends I'm buying and what cryptocurrency I just bought yesterday, okay? Let's start with my portfolio. Here's, as you can see on my portfolio, I have dividend stocks and I do have tech stocks. My tech ones are not doing good, as we can see by the market. And my dividends, Coca-Cola and Pfizer, are doing well. A little bit grow, about 1%. And today I'm buying the Abbvie. To whoever doesn't know what I'm doing this year is I create a portfolio that gonna kind of simulate a lot that a lot of people here can do it, because not everybody can buy $1,000, $2,000 in stock every week, right? So let's do $100. There's many people that are watching this show that can buy $100 a week, and that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna buy $100 of stocks in crypto every week. Actually, a little bit more than 100 with the crypto. $100 is gonna be dedicated to the stock, where it will have on my M1 Finance app, and I want to update you guys daily or weekly. How am I doing on those stocks? These are the stocks that I picked it to start the year, and I want to see in 52 weeks. I have two goals. One, I want to beat the inflation. Two, I want to beat the market. So I do expect about at least 10% growth on these stocks, and I know right now the tech stocks are doing terrible, but I know they're gonna get better. Okay, stay with me, and we'll see that grow every week. Like, now you can see here, I'm showing this again. I only put $100 and I divide between the stocks. Right now I'm evenly split between the stocks, but I might change that in the future depending how the stocks are doing, if I want to balance a little bit more my portfolio. Okay, so let's talk about this new addition, that's Abbvie. I just bought the Abbvie. So let's get here on the computer, and I'll show some why did I buy Abbvie. Okay, Abbvie price is $136.39 as closing yesterday. Pre-market is $136.50, a little bit gain. Here we have the why I'm buying Abbvie. Let me focus on this. First of all, in the last year, if you look in January of 2021, the price of the stock was 110, and it grew a lot, just probably because some of the drugs that got approved by the FDA. But on top of the growth that was last year was 20%, this year I really hope for maybe 10%. That would be good. It has a P ratio of 32.5, and it has a really good dividend that's 4.18%. The prediction, the forecast for the price for this stock, it goes from 110 to 170, and my prediction is that the stocks will go between next year by December, not next year, but by December of this year, it's going to be 145 to 150. That's my goal. That's about 10% gain, a little bit more, a little bit less. Why do I think that they're still going to grow? They have a few drugs that got approved, like FDA just approved Qulipta, and that's help with migraine. Actually, I have a friend of mine that she takes this medication for migraine. She said it's amazing. She suffered from migraine for years, and she said that this med's helping a lot. Rinvoq is help with arthritis, And people have arthritis all the time. I might have arthritis as I grow older. And if you have a good drug that will help you to cope with the pain and the aches, hey, why not, right? So that's why I'm buying Abbvie. I think it's still gonna grow some this year. I still believe the dividends is gonna be a great addition to the stock, and I won't grow this portfolio. I believe in this pharmaceutical company. Okay, now we're gonna talk a little bit about cryptocurrency. And what did I buy yesterday? I bought Sandbox. Sandbox is a platform on the metaverse that runs on the Ethereum chain block. I'm not 100% good on these games and because I don't play. But my daughter played Roblox and Minecraft, and kids go crazy about these games. And you can build your house, you can build your thing, and of course, in Roblox, it's mostly free. You might pay here and there, but I think Sandbox is gonna be a lot more. It's more like adult type thing, or like late teens or younger adult. Let me run a little bit over here what it is. The alpha season one, it was just closed. There was some here some of the best moments. Snoop Dogg has a land on Sandbox, and he threw some parties there, concert, as you can see here. They're gonna start with season two, Alpha two, and if you look at the graphics, too kind of like robust, like squarish, but on my belief, that's gonna be like, remember Atari? How the games were, or the Pong? That was the two bars with the ball. I grew up with that and it was awesome. And now what we have, Call of Duty or FIFA or NBA on Xbox, that you can see even the veins and sweats on the guys. So I think these platforms on Metaverse will grow to the point that you can be able to hologram yourself in there and people are gonna see exactly how you look. Let's talk a little bit more about the Sandbox. How can you make money? First of all, they have the marketplace that you can buy anything you want. You can buy shoes, and those are the price. $170 for the shoes or Sandbox money. They have NFT. Those are the NFTs, and can go pretty expensive. Some stuff and some stuff might be cheaper. Let's see the lowest price. You can buy NFT fish for $23, and the most expensive is a Carson Dumas for what is that? $500,000. You can buy these NFTs. And there's some people making money out of that. There's a guy that sold NFTs for over $1 million, and there's it will have market. Can I buy it? Definitely not. Would I buy it? I'm still skeptical about all these NFTs. I want to know a little bit more before I do any buy. And how you can build these NFTs. Let's go to the map here. The map here, I'm gonna show. Let me close this. I'll give a. That's the Snoop Dogg area. He bought this plot, and I heard that these squares nearby his area, they go for $500,000, cause everybody wanna buy close to Snoop Dogg. Let's see if I can make it a little bigger. So all these squares are areas that you can buy. If you click one of them, show what position it is, and you can go close to here. There's the island. Oh, maybe I did a little bit too fast. Okay, here we go. There's the island here. That's supposed to be the central area here, the sandbox where all the market and stuff like that. You can have it. You can kind of like teletransport to this area, or you can just walk around and see all people's places. Here land again. Okay, So what's the forecast for Sandbox coin price? I'm looking here on the coin price forecast, and it says, 2022 is gonna go to almost $12 per coin. Um, what's the price right now? You're like, what's the price for Sandbox? Sandbox is on the, I think it's 31 or 32. No, 39. Right now, the Sandbox is the cost is $4.43. It's 2% down today, 21% down for the last 7 days, and that doesn't scare me. It is a cryptocurrency and can go up and down 10, 20%, 30% in a day. So this doesn't scare me. If it goes this low, I'm buying, and I did buy yesterday. I bought more Sandbox yesterday. I believe it. I'm not selling it. I'm just gonna keep it. If you see the price mid-year in 2022 might be $12, so you kind of like almost triple your money, definitely double your money if it comes to this. End of year $21, and in 10 years we're at 2022, so let's put it 2032. It's gonna run around $100 per coin. So if you invest $5 and in 10 years you get $100, it's pretty good investment. Just a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, so before you buy any coin, please make sure to follow up or invest in anything, not just coin. Follow up with financial advisor, talk to them and ask like what their opinion. A lot of financial advisors are against cryptocurrency because there's no physical asset with it, and it's totally speculation. It's speculatory investment. But don't buy something just because I'm telling you to buy, because I'm not telling you to buy. I'm just giving my opinion. These videos are just for entertainment purpose, and those are my opinions, my only opinion, and I'm just a normal guy. So don't follow up with a financial advisor. Let's really quick look at how's the market today. So yesterday SP closed in the green, down on the green, Nasdaq on the green, Russell on the green, if you can see all here, but barely. It's like 0.20, 0.09, 0.21. So it was a flat day, and a flat day is better because we'd be bleeding out a lot. So I'll be glad for this, and so hopefully today we can see a little bit more, maybe 1%, 2% gain in each one of the I like S&P especially. I have a lot of stocks that are in the S&P 500. So let's hope for a great day, okay? And before I go, please don't forget down here, subscribe, like, put a comment. What do you think about my introduction, my intro for my video, my lights, the way I'm talking? Am I more comfortable? Any comment will be really appreciated. And have a great investing day, and I say a lot in. Wow. You guys have a great day, okay? Bye.